Hi everyone, so today let's go through the setup process of MarkBind, a static site generator. MarkBind is a static site generator that makes creating websites really easy. It is designed for text-heavy websites like e-learning sites, project documentation, and more. With MarkBind, you can install it with one command, you can create a new site with another, you can preview your site easily and deploy it live with minimal effort. Let's get started by installing Node.js and npm. So first, we want to navigate to the MarkBind website and we click on User Guide. Let's install a recent version of Node.js. Over here, we can click to download Node.js. Since I've already downloaded it, let's install it. Next, let's install npm, Node Package Manager. Here, we can look at how to install npm. So we need to use the command line to install npm. So let's open the command prompt and install npm. Now that we have both Node.js and npm installed, let's continue to install MarkBind. So we can do that by running npm install MarkBind in the command line. Over here. Once we're done with that, we can confirm that MarkBind has been installed by just running MarkBind. We should be able to see the version number as well as some of the commands and options that you can use the MarkBind with. So next, let's start by making a sample initialized MarkBind site. So let's go into the directory that we want to initialize the MarkBind project. Next, let's run MarkBind init. You could also follow the steps in the user guide on the MarkBind website as well. Let's look at some of the files and folders that MarkBind has initialized for us. So we can see that MarkBind has initialized the contents folder for us with various markdown files and also an index.markdown, which is our landing page, as well as the site.json. So let's look at how the site looks like by serving it on our local host. To do that, we can do MarkBind serve in our terminal. So what we've done over here is that we've initialized the MarkBind site, and this is what all the markdown files will look like after you serve it onto a web server. So from here, we can easily just change the markdown files. So for example, we want to change the title over here. One helpful thing when creating a website is that you'll be able to see your changes update in real time, which can be really helpful when you're making a lot of content. You don't have to rebuild your site as you go. So that's it for this video. Hope it helped you to make a new MarkBind site. If you have any issues or queries, you can always head down to the GitHub repo and post an issue there.